welcome once again, guys. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and please like my video for me. Okay, just follow the steps. This is for educational purposes only. So the first thing you want to do, first step, go to settings. Okay, click settings and then go network and internet. Click on Wi-Fi. See, I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi. Here, just click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect, and then click Advanced Options. Here, let's make some settings over here. Click Manual, and on Proxy Settings, click Static. IP address type 192.236. Gateway type 192.168. Network prefix length, just type 26. DNS1 type 7.7.7.7. DNS2 type in 9.9.9.9. Proxy host name type proxy.com. Okay, and then proxy port type 8080. Bypass proxy for just type proxy.com localhost. Remember to subscribe and please give this video a like. Thanks. Then you just click connect. Please remember and note this. This settings will only works depending on your location. So let me know your location if this doesn't work for you, so I can help you with yours. You can see I'm connected, and that's how to connect any Wi-Fi without password. So I hope you have subscribed and please like this video to support my channel, because you'll be helping a lot, and make sure to check out my other videos which I have for you. Okay, thanks for watching.